How to make 1x1 and 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word. Trying to resize passport, visa or ID photos down to exact dimensions using random online tools completely compromises your image privacy and often leaves you with skewed proportions. Microsoft Word has a built-in cropping engine that allows you to lock image layouts down to exact physical dimensions. Today we are setting up a perfect square aspect ratio and injecting precise 1x1 and 2x2 measurements. Okay, so let's bring your image into the workspace and force a perfect square constraints. So let's open up the blank document. After that, just click on the Insert tab right here. In your top navigation ribbon layout, move to the Illustrations group, which is going to be this one. Then click on Images or Pictures and then choose this device. And this will allow you to upload your photo. Okay, so this is my photo here. Then with the image selected on your page, look up the at the top ribbon and click the newly visible Picture Format Context tab. As you can see, it's chosen already in my case. So move to the far right, click the tiny downward arrow underneath the crop icon, which is this one here. And then, guys, hover your cursor over aspect ratio right here and select square 1:1 from pop-out options menu. And now that the image is a perfect square, let's lock in your exact destination scale. So look back at that same picture format tab and shift your focus to the size group on the far right. Then click directly into the top height field box. Then under height, delete all of that. Just click on it once. And then in both height and width, choose 1. As you can see now, it's choosing the exact height and width. If you want 2, just press 2. Like that. And then finally, you can click the Wrap Text button right next to the sizing window and select in front of text so you can move and duplicate your photo freely across the sheet. There you go, choose this. And now as you can see, you can move it away and select as you want it. That is it for this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button right now to keep your document layouts and setups spot on, and thank you for watching.